Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are okay. Today I'm going to say some chords, so let's get started. Okay, so my first chord is for what it's worth. It's never too late, or in my case, too early. To be whoever you want to be, there is no time limit. Start whenever you want. You can change or stay the same. There are no rules. We can make the best or the worst of it. I hope you make the best of it. I hope you see things that startle you. I hope you feel things you have never felt before. I hope you meet people who have a different point of view. I hope you live a life you are proud of. And if you're not, I hope you have the courage to start over again. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. Life is a mountain. Your goal is to find your path, not to reach the top. We all make mistakes, have struggles, and even regret things in our past. But you are not your mistakes. You are not your struggles. And you are here now with the power to shape your day and your future. There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. Whatever life gives you, even if it hurts, just be strong and act like you are okay. Strong walls shake but never collapse. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Rise above the storm and we will find the sunshine. Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want, not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve more. Mistakes are a fact of life. It's the response to the errors that counts. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Whether you choose to move on and take a chance in the unknown, or stay behind, locked in the past, thinking of what you could have been. Beautiful things happen in your life when you distance yourself from all the negative things. The best feeling ever is realizing you aren't sad anymore over something you were sure you would never get over. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers because when you find answers, life changes the questions. Life is like the waves on the ocean. It keeps going. Change your thoughts and you change your world. Be someone's strength, be someone's inspiration, be someone's reason to never give up. I realized that I don't have to be perfect. All I have to do is show up and enjoy the messy, imperfect and beautiful journey of my life. How wonderful it is that nobody need to wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. Yesterday, I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today, I'm wise, so I'm changing myself.